secret lover. But when I get you, boy, there'll be no other.
What up, y'all? Okay, so I'm back here again with another video. I've been waiting on this package all day. We've already got the ball cap method started. Don't mind everything in the bag, it's a lot going on. I got this wig from UNICE. Look at their little goodies. Aw, they gave me UNICE eyelashes. They gave me a headband. I don't know if they gave me a headband. This better not be no headband wig. Oh, it's not. They actually gave me a ball cap that was, what is this, beige? I have the wig. Smells like wig. This is a curly 13x6 lace front, 150% density, and I got the 22-inch. Okay, so it came pre-plucked a little bit. That's cute. That's real cute. They tried to put some baby hairs out. This is what it looks like. Is this giving 22 inches? Probably. Y'all know I love me a good curly wig because I can't do body wave. Body wave is cool until you have to curl it again, and I don't know how to curl hair, so. It say 13 by. Now, if I remember correctly, I've always been able to part a lot of places, like part it going this way. So why is there a track right here in the middle? Or am I tweaking and I've never been able to do that? I think I was more so under the impression that it would be like a lot of scalp.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
So my camera battery died, and instead of me just, you know, taking the time to charge it like a regular person, I decided to get on my phone. This is the finished look. close up and personal. Still learning, so you know, don't get on me too much. Let me know how I did in the comments. The hair is very soft though. Do I think it's 22 inches? I don't think so. I guess it's 22 when stretched. Let's bet on that. But yeah, happy to film this video for you guys. Make sure if you like it that you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Like, this was the most I spent on a wig, and I don't know, I'm not blowing the rack on another one. So if a company want to send me a wig, you know, I'm all for that. You guys connect with me on social media. Everything will be in the description box below, and I'll see you on the next video.
Why they like it's cool when you put a boo